What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Meme Coin Daily. This is where you find the hottest and newest micro cap plays in the crypto space. My name is Joven, and Volt Army, I am back once again, and in this video I will be explaining why Volt will absolutely crush it in the future, with a few charts that will show you where the stock market is headed in the future, where Bitcoin is headed in the future. And because Volt is such a bullish and great project in the space, it will follow the broader market as well. So this is going to show you where Volt will be heading in the future as well, guys. What I'll be breaking down for you guys, and this is what I'd like to call the Volt blow off top, and this is what I'll be breaking down and explaining for you guys in this video. I have done so much research on the stock market, on the global markets as a whole, on the economy, and you could clearly apply it to projects like Volt that have been around throughout, 1 year now that this project has been around. The holders are not going anywhere. The community just keeps growing. You could clearly apply it to a project like Volt, because when the rest of the market is bullish, I don't know if you guys could tell, but Volt also becomes bullish with the global market. Now, before we dive deeper into the Volt blow off top, and if this is something that you're interested in, Meme Coin Daily, 1,160 subscribers. Let's get to 2,000 subscribers, Volt Army. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Supporting this video could get it into the algorithm. Put it right there. As soon as people open up YouTube, they see this Volt video, and then we could get new eyes on the project. But like always, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space, because it is very risky, very volatile. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. Now, right now, as we take a look at the Volt chart, you can see, guys, we are in a correction. We are going lower. We broke that $70 million market cap range. Now we are down to $66.43 million in market cap. Don't fret. Don't worry about it, guys. This is the time you accumulate and DCA into projects that you truly believe in. Never manage your risk, never invest more than you're willing to lose. But this is the time you are DCA into projects that you truly believe in. This is the moment where nobody is in the crypto space. Everyone has left. The only people that's left in the space right now are the generational wealth multi-millionaires of the future. Those are the only peoples left in the space at this present moment. Everyone's engagement on crypto Twitter, YouTube, other social media platforms is pretty much abysmal. Nothing's going on because the bears are ruling the market. The bears are running the market right now. So as you guys can see, we have this retrace that is happening on Volt. But like I said, diamond hand, DCA if you can, guys, because this is the time you could change your life forever. This is the moment where you could change your life forever. You hear it all the time. I know you guys be scrolling crypto Twitter, as much as I do, you know what I'm saying? And I know for a fact you always see people say right now when you scroll crypto Twitter, the people that are left, bear markets create generational wealth. Bear markets create life-changing wealth. This is the time where you lock in and you stick to your plan. Whatever your plan is, you have great projects that you're interested in, especially projects like Volt that have the whole of crypto, talking about it. You can't, I don't think you guys fathom how bullish that is. Everyone is talking about it right now in these types of this type of market conditions. In the bear, one of the worst bear markets we've ever seen, and everyone is talking about it. We have YouTubers that have channels that's been around for a minute, 20,000, 40,000, 50,000 subscribers, and they always cover Volt, because you guys, as the Volt Army, is the most base community in the space, and there's no going around that. And with that alone, one of those that factor is super important, because you see it all the time when it comes to projects in the ERC20 space. What is the true market mover for a project is the community, is the people that are putting in that groundwork. And you guys right now that are putting in that groundwork in the midst of the worst market conditions we have seen will be rewarded in the future. You just got to be patient, and you just have to stick to your plan. Now, one of the reasons why Volt could have retraced is because BTC, the leading market mover, is retracing back down. 16,568 on Bitcoin, down around 1.25%. And if you take a look right here on the 7-day, we were going sideways for a bit, and then all of a sudden we started falling down. You know, we started falling down. You can see that on the 24-hour chart. We started falling down. Now the reason for Bitcoin dropping is because the stock market's actually opened up today bearish. Now, like I said, the bears are running the markets right now. We still could have a potential Santa Claus rally in the stock market, and we know BTC will follow because Bitcoin is highly correlated to the stock market, right? So when the stock market is doing well, when the stock market is being bullish, Bitcoin is bullish, and the rest of the altcoins, Ethereum and Inu, will follow. Then we'll have Ethereum being bullish, as you guys can see, drop down from 1,400 a day or two ago, and now it's back down to 1,171. So right now we had a bit of a retrace in the top two projects, the top two market movers in the space. But when these projects, when Bitcoin, Ethereum are bullish and they're moving to the upside, project like Volt will definitely follow, guys. The thing is, right now the markets are super exhausted. Every time we have buyers that come back into the market, you know, there's something that happens and then they leave right away. So the markets are really exhausted. We are in the point of max fear. We are at max fear right now in the market. Even Binance can't avoid, you know, the fear that is happening right now in the markets, in the crypto markets, with speculation and you know, people saying Binance could fall, Binance, you know, isn't solvent, Binance, you know, doesn't have the funds, their funds back 1-to-1. And you see that speculation happening constantly throughout the space. And these type of speculations are, you know, to show you that we are in max fear in the market, right? CZ put out a tweet that I found extremely interesting, Volt Army. Remember, maximum greed happens at the top, maximum fear happens at the bottom. Not financial advice, just stating a fact. And this was 2 days ago, right? Now's the time where you stick to your plan and DCA into a project that you believe in. Volt Army, Volt Inu, believe in yourself and trust in yourself, because when the market turns around, you don't want to get left behind. You don't want to get left at the station. And now we're gonna dive deeper into the Volt Inu blow off top. On the right of the screen in this image, we have George Gammon, a very great YouTuber that goes into, you know, explaining and breaking down, analyzing the stock market and the economy and what the Fed is, you know, doing. And recently he made a video speaking about deflation. Should you be worried about deflation? Yes, here's why. Now, as I said in my previous videos, guys, the Fed are raising interest rates because inflation got too high, the highest it's ever been in the past 40 years, right? The past 40 years, think about that, literally how crazy this economy and market is. It's super different to previous markets. Deflation taking place will be so crazy to see for the economy and the stock market and the crypto market as a whole, which supports a lot of what the analysts are speaking about with a potential blow off top for the stock market, the index funds, the crypto market, and then Volt Inu as well, the Volt Inu blow off top. This is from the code jar, and as you guys can see, we have been in this bear market for 1 year now, same amount of time that Volt has existed. That is absolutely a crazy coincidence, by the way, which is, you know, pretty insane. But, you know, as you guys can see, this is what you call Elliott wave. This is Elliott wave theory, and we could drop down to this Z wave right here, or the bottom could be in right here, and then, like, just like before, what happened here, we bounce off this line and then we start the crazy blow off top run. You see that? You see this crazy blow off top run, 300k BTC by the end of 2025? You think, when you think about this, guys, think about the stock market going to crazy levels, S&P 500, NASDAQ, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Bitcoin going to 300k. Imagine where Ethereum's gonna be at, right? Volt Inu will follow, and this is why I talk about the Volt Inu blow off top, right? It's gonna be crazy if these charts that I'm showing you guys do play out, right? As you guys can see right here from Betel Julian, he has the S&P coming down a bit more, or going sideways for a bit, and then huge move to the upside. Like I said, I'm going through it. I'm researching as much as I can into these things and bringing this information to you guys. Think about it, right? Volt follows the broader market. When Ethereum was moving up a bit, Volt started moving up a bit. Plus, Volt is one of those projects that is highly volatile, way more volatile than other projects, right? This is why you know, they had projects like Dogecoin and Shiba that went millions of percentages. This because they are more volatile projects. They're not like other altcoins, you know. They're meme coins, right? Meme coins run much harder than altcoins, way harder than altcoins. Think about a scenario where this takes place for the S&P, and then it takes place, Bitcoin follows the S&P 500, Ethereum follows Bitcoin, the alts follow Bitcoin, and then Volt with its highly volatile nature absolutely sends, like crushes it. Like, you know, what type of X's could we see for Volt in the future once this plays out? Can y'all fathom that, Volt Army? Like I said, buckle up. Just think about the mindset, the psychological perception of everyone outside of crypto that left because of the bear market or never heard about crypto in the first place. Think about the perception that the psychology they'll be going through when they see Bitcoin making moves to all the way 300,000, right? Doge, Shiba, you name it, everything will be running like absolutely insane. And all those retail investors, all those hedge funds, the stock market whales, they'll be like, man, I need a piece of that pie. I need a piece of that. Sign me up. They start FOMOing in like crazy. FOMO. It's FOMO season, fear of missing out season. And then all of a sudden, you know, a lot of the retail investors, just like me last cycle when I bought Shiba for the first time on Uniswap, you know what I'm saying? It took however long to figure out Uniswap back then. The herd of retail investors will make their way to Uniswap or a few, you know, different exchanges, because Volt is listed on 99 exchanges. They'll make their way to that. They'll make their way to Binance Smart Chain, BSC, because some of them will be like, oh, gas fees are too high, right? they'll make their way to that, and then they'll see all of these people that are talking about Volt when it's on its run and start moving up like crazy, and they'll be like, man, I gotta get a piece of that. You throw in a few catalysts as well. Maybe Voltoshi unveils some type of metaverse project for Volt, or Volt Inu blockchain. You throw some catalysts in there as well. Oh my gosh, man. You know, I'm smiling right now. You guys can't see the smile, but I'm smiling right now thinking about it, man. It's about to get crazy, Volt Army, I'm telling you guys. So yeah, stick to your plan. Don't give up. Don't worry about any short-term price action. Volt Army, thank you so much for supporting me and my videos. Really appreciate it. You made it this far, you know, you enjoyed it. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It really helps the channel out. Subscribe, like, I really appreciate it. And if this is your first time hearing about Volt Inu, let me know what you think in the comment section. Everything Volt and myself will be down in the description, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.